Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn about train horns. So let's get into the video.
Welcome to my gut melody place.
Train horns are a loud safety device for the railroad. They're supposed to honk at crossings to warn people to stop, because the train doesn't stop like cars. This is how a train is supposed to honk at a crossing. 2 long blasts, 1 short, and another long blast until the train comes to the crossing. Now let's look at some different types of train horns. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video about train horns. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye!